Okay guys, this is how you solve the pyramid Rubik's Cube. So first I'm just gonna scramble. Yep, this is my scramble. So where do you even start? So first you have to start the corners. Make sure you start with all 4 corners. Yep. And now put this thing to over here. So you just do this, 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 this. That's simple. Okay, now you have to do this. And same thing, you have to put this thing over here. You just do the same thing. This, 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 this. Yup. Oh, and guys, you now have 2 sets completed. Now you put this red thing to over here. So this is the tricky part. So you have to go this, 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 this. And then guys, put this thing over here. So you do this, 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 this. And then finally you have these 2 sides. Now finally, this is the last move. This is very simple. Just do L-turn. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's video. So guys, I will see you next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.